Tom! Tom, what are you doing?
God. I guess he was hot.
All by himself, just walked in and sat down. Oh, stretching out. See his back legs? Stretched all the way back. What is this?
Oh my god, he's gonna need another.
Come on, Tom. Tom, come here. Come on. You want to just pull him a little bit? Come on. Come on.
Alright.
Come on.
Should we let him go on the other side?
Oh, I mean, he had a pretty good sit there. Hey, Tom. Tom. Hey.